Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Living a Little. Today we are exploring Ireland, and this is one of the mysterious place nearby our county, which is Ballymote. So here we are going to explore some pond or lake which Lakshit has explored yesterday. So this you could see इस बिल्कुल ऐसे गांव जैसा एरिया है, कुछ नहीं है आसपास. हम लोग यहाँ पे पैदल घूमने आए हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड हमने थोड़ी बहुत यहाँ पे फ़ोटोज़ और इंस्टाग्राम की रील ली है. एंड मैं आपको एंट्रेंस दिखाती हूँ. काफ़ी ऐसे ख़तरनाक सी एंट्रेंस है यहाँ की. हम बहुत ही ऐसे खतरों के खिलाड़ी वाली जगह जा रहे हैं. हमें नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है. बहुत सारे हमें बुल्स वहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट श्योर क्या होने वाला है. क्या आपको डर लग रहा है?
मेरी वीडियो खराब कर दो तुम.
क्या आपको डर लग रहा है?
मैं तो कल गया था, तुम अपना अपना देख लो.
Guys, we're going here on our own risk, and these guys have forget our bottle, which is very precious because we are very thirsty. Let's take our ginger ale bottle. Lakshit is very fond of this ginger ale. Lakshit, can you share your thoughts about ginger ale, the price, and how often do you drink this ginger ale?
I drink this ginger ale every day, 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And आज हम इसमें लाए हैं पानी. So this is like the way to the lake. Lake है वो. So let's see how the lake is. आज weather बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा, बहुत ही. Also today was the live session on YouTube. That was one of the first live stream I have ever gone through. I'm not sure if you guys liked it or not. Comment below if you like these live sessions more often or not. And I hope I answered all of your questions. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment below and look at the beauty. So these were the bulls जिनका बाहर साइन लगा हुआ था. ऐसा हमारे देश में भी होता है, बट यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा से ज़्यादा फील क्यों हो रहा है. अच्छा पता नहीं. ओ हम यहाँ से तो नहीं जा सकते. देयर इज अ डिफरेंट वे. ये पता नहीं क्या है. Our personal guide here. He first explored the places here. लक्षित पहले सारी जगह एक्सप्लोर करता है, फिर हमें आके बताता है, एंड देन हम लोग सेकंड फिर से घूमने जाते हैं. एंड he tells us कि तुम वहाँ पे रील्स बना सकते हो, वीडियोस बना सकते हो. दैट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर व्यूअर्स. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस? शुड ही स्टार्ट हिज ओन यूट्यूब चैनल और नॉट? कमेंट बिलो. So guys, we reached here. It is so peaceful. बहुत बिल्कुल शोर नहीं है, बहुत शांति है. और ये पानी ऐसे इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. Guys, successfully we have reached here. Stunt वन कुछ किया नहीं. Reached safely, but we left our क्या बोलते हैं? We left our garbage over there. वापस जाना पड़ेगा. So whenever you are going out, make sure you don't spread the waste around. Pick up your stuff and throw it in the dustbin. फिर से स्टंट करते हुए लेट्स गो बैक एंड ग्रैब इट बैक. देखा जाएगा आप गिरेंगे कि नहीं. So I personally like this place. It is like just 2 kilometers from my house. That is like 10 to 15 minutes की walk है, and it's so peaceful. मतलब I think I'm gonna come to this place more often because it's so peaceful. Whenever I'm feeling low, feeling good, this is my go-to place. So if you're around Slag or Ballymote, I think I won't say it's a must because these places are. So there are a lot of such places in Ireland. So this is something hidden we have explored in our county. So you would see more often in my videos and Instagram status as well. And guys, a lot of you have asked me a lot of questions on the Instagram live today. I tried my best to answer all those questions. If you still have any questions, you can schedule the one-on-one call with me. The link is in the description below. And please join the Discord channel. This is for you all. If we can plan some visit when I'm around in Dublin, we can meet everybody. And so this channel is like a community. Once you land here, even if you are in India, you can travel with the people who are coming. So I'm trying my best to connect with the people all over the world, but I guess this community is mostly focused on Indians. But if there are anybody who is international, everybody is welcome to our community for Ireland, and feel free to drop in your questions. Since it's a new community, I'm going to drop my answers to most of the questions on the weekends as well. But still, if you have any question, you can schedule the one-on-one call with me, which is the link is in the description below. And a lot of you have asked me questions about Ireland. Apart from Ireland, the comparison, though guys, I do not know anything apart from Ireland, but still, if you have any queries and want to study somewhere else, the link to the consul form is in the description below as well. So done with exploring this hidden place, going back home now, need to cook some lunch and edit the next video. Guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday and we are heading out to another lake in our county. And yesterday it was so sunny and today it's so windy. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. बहुत सारे कपड़े पहने, टोपी पहने. Still we are feeling so cold. So this is like the carriage people use to transfer their sheep, cattle from one place to another. You would see a lot of these in the counties or the village areas. You would see a lot of these carriages because people here in villages keep cattle, sheep, goats, and these bull cows. We'll try to show you like those places. It's almost like similar in India. So since most of you don't know me, I'm from Haryana. So I have seen that village farm, गांव की life. तो we started comparing कि वहाँ पे कैसा होता है, यहाँ पे कैसा होता है. और कोई तबेला आएगा रास्ते में तो we'll try to show you. So usually we don't go out on Sundays, we do the house cleaning, but we were almost free on Friday after work. We did the house cleaning on Friday and I will be releasing a house tour video soon. I'm not sure if I release this video it would come before that, but yeah, so today we were free. We were not feeling like staying at home, so we are going to explore एक और छोटी सी लेक. मैप में तो बहुत ही छोटी सी दिखा रहा है, बट लेट्स सी कैसी है. लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू थिंग्स. तो चलते हैं लेक की तरफ, देखते हैं कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है. सो लाइक इन आवर कंट्री द पशुओं का चारा इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस इज़ लाइक द ड्राई घास. ये जितनी भी घास है यहाँ पे इसको ड्राई करने के लिए रखते हैं एंड देन दे सर्व दीज कैटल्स. बट या आई गेस ये डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे. चलो अब डिफरेंस समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हम आयरलैंड में हैं या इंडिया में. सो दिस वाज द वे टू द फर्स्ट लेक. सेकंड लेक के लिए हम सीधा जा रहे हैं एंड ये तीनों हमें ऐसे देख रहे हैं कि ये फिर से आ गए वापस. कोई काम नहीं है. आई थिंक इज द हाउसेस हियर आर लाइक बहुत दूर दूर हैं एंड सच अ पीस. एंड दिस कार इज़ लाइक ऑल्टो. कौन सी कार थी वो? सिलेरियो. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ऑल्टो. So there is this warning for us. We are not sure what are we going to witness further. अगर इस ब्लॉग के बाद हमने कुछ नहीं बनाया और ये वीडियो यहीं ख़त्म हो गई, so we are in trouble. So that gate was closed. We jumped over and asked the owner if we. So we are just going over to that lake and we have just entered the property, someone's property. The houses here are really good. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर घर है यहाँ पे, बहुत pretty है. So this road has like just two houses. That guy we met, he told us like this house is his and the other house is his dad. And और कुछ नहीं, it's just the farmland around. So we'll go back home by this way. हम आए यहाँ से थे and वो वाला घर था जहाँ से हम वीडियो बना रहे थे. That house was literally very pretty. बहुत ही सुंदर घर था. वीडियो में पता नहीं आ रहा है कि नहीं. That's the view. So guys, this was a lake. छोटी सी lake थी. We are just heading home because it's almost 2. We are hungry. We are gonna make soya chap today. And a thing to know about Ireland's road, like until unless you have a footpath to walk on the road, you're not allowed to do that. But in case you're walking around the village areas, what I usually do is like they wait for you to either move and or just like wave them like okay you can go ahead, then only they move. So the safety measures are really taken with great care. And that's the next car going around. सो दिस इज़ लाइक द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल स्टेबल, लाइक हमारे इंडिया में जो तबेला होता है पशुओं का। एंड देन यहाँ पे ये लोग ग्रास ग्रेजिंग करते हैं। आई ऑलवेज यूज टू वंडर कि हम अपनी नॉर्मल सेम चीज़ें रिपीट करके लाइफ में कितना बोर हो जाते हैं। इन लोगों के पास क्या है, ये और ये थोड़ा सा एरिया घूमने के लिए वियर्ड लाइफ सिचुएशंस। कुछ इस तरह दिखती है यहाँ की काउस। This one is a child care for nice. This one is a child care, and this one is the school, and that building is the college building. I'll show you. Reception globe रखा है यहाँ पे। And you must have seen India का और Ireland का कलर थीम फ्लैग का काफ़ी सिमिलर है। सो देखो, प्राइमरी एंड मेंटल हेल्थ केयर, this is like the way to our house, this one is the college, this one is the school, and I'll show you the hospital as well. So I guess it's a really pretty good county with all the good amenities, school, college, hospital around. The only thing is like you just have super value here, which is a bit expensive than Aldi, Lidl and Tesco. But if you have a car, visiting Sligo is like 10. We have work from home for another few months, and like we just have to go to office for twice or thrice in a month. I guess this place is pretty good. And this is the other side of the school basketball ground. You would see children playing during the recess, and obviously they would have some game period. I'm not sure यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं. And this one was the hospital soya chap. And I think अगर आप, if you are coming to Ireland and you are Indian, you make rotis, I think you should get this container. मुझे नहीं पता इसे क्या कहते हैं, but परात. But this is very handy. बहुत ज़रूरी है ये आटा गूंदने के लिए. I'm making soya chap for the first time. देखते हैं कैसे बनते हैं. Let's try. क्या लगता है Rakshit, based on your experience, do I make good food?
You always make good food. You are an expert. हमेशा अच्छे खाना बनाती है पिछले 2 साल से, तो I would say इस बार भी अच्छा ही बनेगा.
चलो, let's try to make this and then we'll get the critics reviews. So soya chap is ready. I'm on to making some lachha paratha. And here is the soya chap. That is almost ready. Here is the soya chap gravy. We'll put the soya chap once the lachha paratha is ready. So we'll show you once the lachha parathas are done.